Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to filter muddy water from your borewell. We'll start by understanding why your water might be muddy, then move on to simple, effective methods for clarification. You'll discover common materials you can use for basic filtration, ensuring your borewell water is safe and clean for various uses around your home. Let's get started with the first crucial step. The first step is simple yet effective. Allow your muddy water to settle. Pour the water into a large container and let it sit undisturbed for several hours or even overnight. This allows heavier sediment to sink to the bottom. Next, carefully pour the clearer water into another container, using a fine cloth or mesh as a basic screen to catch any floating debris. This initial settling removes a significant amount of mud. Now let's build a simple DIY filter. You'll need a container with a small hole at the bottom. Layer it with clean materials. Start with coarse gravel, then finer gravel, followed by a layer of sand. For improved taste and odor, add a layer of activated charcoal in between the sand layers. Each layer should be at least 3 inches thick. Pour your pre-settled water through this filter for clearer results. To further enhance water clarity, you can add natural coagulants, such as a small amount of alum, to your settled water. This speeds up the settling process. For a more permanent solution, consider installing a slow sand filter. Remember to regularly inspect and clean your borewell pump and casing to prevent future mud issues. Finally, always test your filtered water periodically to ensure it meets safety standards for your intended use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.